The lemon twist that makes strawberry shortcake so much better. And yes, it's completely dairy-free. Spring dessert season starts now. We're going to start with the strawberries because they need a little time to do their thing. Slice them up and toss them with a couple tablespoons of sugar, a squeeze of lemon juice, and some lemon zest. The sugar draws out the juices and turns them into this glossy, syrupy coating. You want that. Set them aside and let them hang out for 20 to 30 minutes while you make everything else. We're going to start by making some vegan buttermilk by stirring some plant milk and apple cider vinegar together, set it aside, and let it get a little bit curdled, and that's exactly what you want. For the biscuits, we're going to start with the dry ingredients. Add your flour, your baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm using my pastry cutter to stir it all together. One less dish, no shame in that. In goes the cold vegan butter. Cube it up and work it into the dry ingredients until you get a crumbly, almost sandy texture with some pea-sized bits still in there. These little butter pockets are what makes the biscuits flaky, so don't overwork it. We're going to add in our buttermilk and stir until a shaggy dough comes together. It should look a little rough, that's fine. Don't try to make it perfect in the bowl. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and give it just a few folds, not kneading it, just bringing it together. This is where biscuits can go wrong. The more you work the dough, the tougher they get. We want tender, not chewy. Pat the dough down to about an inch thick, just using your hands, not a rolling pin. You have a lot more control this way. Then I'm just using a 2-inch round cutter to make my biscuits. For the scraps, push them back together gently with your hands and pat flat again and cut more rounds. Keep going until all the dough is used up. The last ones might not be as pretty, but they'll taste just as good. These will go into a 425-degree oven and they bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until lightly golden on top. And while those bake, let's make the whipped cream. And I need to give you a very important heads up here. You need full-fat coconut cream, not coconut milk. Check the can. If it says milk, you'll be beating that bowl for a very long time and getting absolutely nowhere. Don't ask me how I know this. The can should be chilled overnight so that the cream is thick when you open it. Add your powdered sugar and vanilla and whip until it's fluffy and holds soft peaks. And fair warning, this does get messy. I'd highly recommend draping a kitchen towel over the bowl while you mix. I couldn't do that on camera, so it went absolutely everywhere. Now that the biscuits are cooled slightly, split them open and then start layering. Add whatever order you want, some whipped cream, some strawberries, some more whipped cream, pop the top back on, and enjoy. If recipes like this are your thing, please hit subscribe. It genuinely helps more than you know, and I have so many more recipes I'd love to share. See you next time.